Hello and welcome once again to my Arty Hearty vlog. I'm Maria and this is Arty Hearty Life, and my progress on the challenge to paint a painting a day for 2 weeks is going well. Yesterday I finished off the dragonfly paintings, and so here's a bit of dragonflyception for you. And then after that, well, after Jake went to bed, I painted this one. Sorry, I nearly turned the camera the other way then, and that doesn't work when it's uploaded to YouTube, so that would have been silly. Yeah, I painted this abstract, and today I'm starting on this froggy fella. And that's pretty much my news regarding my progress. I'll talk to you more about other stuff in another vlog, but for now I'm just going to go and show you what Jake's up to, and then I am going to carry on painting this frog, and then I've got another painting to try and do today if I want to actually get properly on schedule. I'm not counting the multiples of the dragonflies and goldfish as separate paintings in this challenge. Although, if I do fall short a little bit at the end, then perhaps I will. Okay, let's go and see Jake. Hello, Jake. We've come to, me and the vlog have come to see what you're doing. Let's have a look.
Bit of a surprise.
Oh, look at that. I'm not telling you to look, I'm telling the viewers.
They don't really have much of a choice, do they? It's filling the whole screen.
This is a
Ta-da!
super wooden box.
Look at my invisible... Actually, I forgot what it was. Oh, flip. That's a bit of a shame, isn't it?
I bought a couple of these yesterday from someone who was having a house clear out. And when I got there, they found they'd got a few more. So I bought a few more. And I'm intending to use them on my stall at the craft market, but Jake wanted one, and being that I'd got the extra ones, I said okay. So he's decorating it. And his favourite thing to draw at the moment is hot air balloons, so that's looking good. And is that fireworks?
Yeah, they're fireworks.
Well? That's lovely.
It's not looking very good because there's not enough black, so they don't really stand out. So I'm adding more black to it.
Would you like black paint so that your black Poscas don't run out? Or do you just want to carry on with the Poscas?
You can get me new black Poscas, can't you?
Okay, yeah, I suppose I can.
And also, I'm only using the thick one for this.
Okay, all right.
Thin one would take too long.
Perhaps we need to get you an extra thick one for big areas. Does that sound like a good idea?
Mm.
Okay. Well, I think that's enough vlogging for today, probably.
Aww.
We've looked at my progress. We've looked at yours. Oh, you want to vlog some more, do you? Okay.
Not really, but
tell us about how you're doing it then, if you like.
I'm doing it with Posca pens.
Okay.
This is a box, and
this
I use
is a sock. Sock vlog.
And I did the balloon in pencil and then went over it in Posca pen. I did these just in Posca pen, but I did the balloon in pencil first, and I think that's enough.
Good idea. Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much, Jake. See you later. Say bye-bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Well, there we go. That's my progress, and that's Jake's progress as well. So that's it for today. I'll update you again tomorrow. Bye.